And still in St. Thomas, Leith Hall residents are expressing optimism as work on a new bridge on the main road is nearing completion. The people say the project is long overdue and once finished, it will make life easier for motorists.
No more narrow bridge, wide bridge, Eastern St. Thomas. From Portland to St. Thomas, everything is going all right.
It's a good man, kind of traffic, you know what I mean? When the traffic are come, you see me? That's only if you free up by now, you know? That's up on the main, you know?
Yeah.
East Portland use that so, the whole of the main that's so. You see me? That bridge only if you fix.
3 women who have spent years quietly serving their communities in Old Harbour and its environs are now being publicly recognized for their impact. The trio was honored for their tireless service and dedication to community development in observance of International Women's Day on Sunday. Treacher Reed is president of the St. South Catherine Chamber of Commerce.
It's all about women giving back of themselves. And you know, as the Bible says, when we give, we get. The more we give, the more we get. And we encourage women to start, you know, transforming other women, taking on other women, adopting other women so that, you know, women strengthen women.
The president also used the occasion to urge women to speak out against domestic abuse. And in response to the recognition, the honorees expressed gratitude.
Boy, I feel so good. Not many times people remember you. And as it is said, that don't spread roses when you're gone. Of course, the Chamber of Commerce really spread flowers for me, and I'm deeply appreciative.
I've been serving a lot in the Old Harbour community and its environs, and being recognized, I'm really appreciative of it, especially on this International Women's Day.
Working in the communities for over 15 years and traveling abroad representing women, domestic violence, I really appreciate that the Chamber of Commerce really see it fit to award me.
It's time for a break. Stay with us. More stories when we return. Welcome back to the Midday News. It's now time for the Business Minute.
JN Life Insurance Company is reporting record growth in its pension business for the 2025 financial year, despite challenges caused by Hurricane Melissa in the final quarter. Chief Sales and Marketing Officer Othniel Blagrove said the company delivered a record performance through its JN Individual Retirement Scheme. Mr. Blagrove revealed that pension contributions reached $89.7 million in 2025, surpassing the previous record set in 2023 of $68 million through transfers and regular enrollments. Further afield, gas prices continue to rise in the U.S. as the war with Iran endangers oil supplies. That marks the 11th straight day of prices rising. AAA reports the average cost of a gallon of A regular is $3.58 on Wednesday. That's up 4 cents from Tuesday and 64 cents compared to a month ago. In California, regular gasoline is averaging above $5 a gallon. Oil prices also are up Wednesday, with Brent crude topping $91 a gallon in the morning trading. And that's it for the Business Minute. I'm Prince Moore.
Thank you, Prince. And here's a preview of what's coming up in this evening's health report.
In this evening's health report, we look at the common cold.
There is good science behind the use of things like chicken soup. It's really the warmth of the soup that you're taking into your body that helps to provide soothing relief as well. The other thing that we generally say with the common cold is recognition of any complications. With the cold lasting for more than 7 to 10 days, it may be that you now need antibiotics for the elimination of the bacteria that has complicated the common cold.
That's the health report in primetime news at 7. And now for today's healthy living tip. Get plenty of rest to help your body recover. Drink lots of fluids such as water, soup, and warm tea. And practice good hygiene like washing hands often to prevent spreading germs.
It's now time for the top regional and international stories. In the region, Belize's Prime Minister John Bersenio says the country's public debt now stands at $4.6 billion Belize dollars, or about 66.6% of GDP. Presenting a $1.79 billion national budget to Parliament, Bersenio said the debt level has been cut by nearly half since his administration took office in 2020. He added that Belize's economy is expected to grow modestly, with the central bank projecting real GDP growth of about 2.3% next year. The Prime Minister says the government will continue carefully managing the country's debt. And on the international scene, the Israel Defense Forces IDF has issued a new evacuation order for parts of southern Beirut, warning residents to leave immediately ahead of planned military operations. The IDF says the strikes are targeting Hezbollah positions and warned that anyone near the group's operatives, weapons, or facilities could be putting their lives at risk. Meanwhile, videos circulating online show a high-rise building on fire in western Beirut following overnight strikes. And those were the top regional and international stories. We head to a quick break. When we come back, we'll have your midday sports report.